Hey guys, welcome to a Wisconsin snowstorm. This is what it looks like when you gotta build a racetrack for the Beagles after there's been a snowstorm of wet, heavy snow. As you can see, the Beagles are kind of short, so they gotta be able to get out and get in the yard to go potty. So let's take a stroll of the racetrack, shall we? Excuse me, Cecil. This is their little racetrack. Got to give them some room so that they can do their business. Bentley's already smelling all the smells, looking for poopsicles. Hi, Bentley. Hi, buddy. So yeah. Here's what things are looking like this morning in Wisconsin. Look at all that snow. Look at all the snow on the house. And it's still snowing. Yikes. Hopefully the Beagles enjoy their racetrack that I dug out for them, because tomorrow it's supposed to be freezing cold. So I had to get out here and do it now. All right, guys, have a great day. Happy Saturday. Bye.